Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, let's do the planet. I'm gonna do the planets. Okay, wait. 9 pieces, 25, 49. 49 is too hard. Okay, let's do this. I hope it might be easy. Alright, let's try the simple first. Because simple is the... I don't know. Okay, let's start. Oh my god. Oh, yes! Time for another one. I didn't diddy. Actually didn't diddy. Okay, let's what she did? Yes. Please stop talking. Stop talking. If you keep talking, then everyone don't like me. They won't like me anymore. So you have to stop talking if everyone don't like me. Okay. Oh. Okay, where should this put? Oh, Jupiter. Okay, Jupiter's the... Wait, what's this? It was so awesome. It was so awesome, guys. Yo, mommy. Yeah? I'm so awesome at these puzzles. They will like me. Oh my god. Okay. Right. Where should this go? The blue one. Gonna put in. What's the... Oh my god. Jupiter's the largest planet, but why? Yo, Jupiter is so massive. Yo, Jupiter's massive. Oh, come on. Where's the puzzles that I can fit? I can't find. Can you? Yo, everyone. Oh! Finally! So difficult. Yo. Huh? Okay. Wait. This goes over here. Finally! It was so awesome. Okay, we got it. Uranus! Okay. I just can't even feel my brain anymore. I'm so awesome. Okay, I'm gonna put this. Neptune goes all the way up here. Where's this pudding that I can get? Where's the pudding that I can get? Huh? Okay, can we put Alpha gently over here? No, Neptune oh my. Wait, where's the another Uranus puzzle? Saturn. Huh? Where should this get? Maybe up here. No. Oh my, no. Oh! Oh my god. This one. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Oh boy. Oh boy, that's gonna take so long. Where should this put? No, not over here. No. Okay. Okay, we got. Yes. No. Okay. Maybe not. No. Oh my god, where should this put? No, that's for Mars. No. Maybe try this again later. Earth. Oh my god. Oh. Saturn is the Jupiter and Saturn are the largest planets. Okay. Venus. Okay, Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Oh, we're good. We're good. We're so good at this game. We're so good at this game. Nice. Oh my god. Perfume. Oh my god.
Why?
Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope I will see you in the next video. Yo, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Goodbye, solar system. And make sure you subscribe, and I will get you some prizes. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.